Hi, hello, namaste, ellarku namaskara. This is Ganesh Vaibhav. Welcome back to Gana Vlogs. Me Telga Bhai at Presidency University. So today now I'm at my college. So right now there's an event going on in my college. You can see there, and you can also see the beautiful fountain here. So this is the entrance of my college. I have shown you already before. So are you excited to know what the event is? It's Nama Bazaar 4.0. So you can also check my previous videos also. You can see the last year video of Nama Bazaar 3.0. It was it was yeah, it was very
joyful.
Okay.
ఏంటి మమ్మీ ఎవడు
So let's see what's going to happen this day. So actually the event was started yesterday itself, but I was somewhat quite lazy yesterday, so I didn't vlog yesterday. So today I'm vlogging again. I hope it will be very enjoyable and something more interesting than Nama Bazaar 3.0. So what you're waiting for? Just diving into the video. Come with me. Subscribe to Gadi Vlogs. Hi guys, welcome to Presidency University. Today we came to Nama Bazaar event. This is my mama. This is my baba. This is one girl Jobdi. This is one Benton. So guys, now we have attendance here. So we have to take the attendance first of all, and we should go again to the event. So the worst part is attendance. So for every hour we should come here and should come to our MBA block, and again we should give the attendance to our faculty, and then we have to attend the event. So just now we have got a message right now that event is going to start, and performers should come there and should be ready. So after the attendance we are going to the lawn. So guys, so now we are at library right now waiting for the attendance.
I am very pleased to meet Ganesh.
చెత్త నా కొడక మీ అమ్మ నాని చూశారనుకో నా కొడక
And
Hello guys, welcome to Gana Vlogs. So now let me introduce the gang leader of our team. Shivani. Hi Pandruma. Hi. Let me introduce the second serial killer.
Serial killer, yeah.
Hi Pandruma.
Hi bro, how are you? Manakandama player. Bro.
Bye guys.
What's your phone number?
0119.
ఇది మా అడ్రస్ చెప్పింది అసలు ఇందులో వాళ్ళ మాట అసలు వాళ్ళే ఇందులో దాచి
Now we are going to meet the future HCL.
Yeah, he was placed in HCL.
Yeah, HCL,
actually.
yeah.
So today he's going to give a party at Nama Bazaar event.
Yeah.
So I invite everyone to come with their own money. But for us free. My Baba is there. My Baba is there.
And here we have Akhilesh Shashankan. Yeah, here we have Akhilesh Shashankan, new bike holder, Royal Enfield.
Two parties.
Royal Enfield
Two
is
parties
holding.
are there. Two parties. Two parties are there.
Two parties. He's having two parties and two wives in the college itself.
So
Sar going, sar coming.
are coming
When coming, sar coming.
when coming sir.
Sar coming when? When coming, sir?
Attendance when. Sound morning there was so much noise actually, but now no noise actually. What's happening actually? I am not getting actually.
ఎవరురా నువ్వు ఇంత టాలెంటెడ్
So finally we came near to the event. So
Event chupira.
so this is the event happening here. This is what happening here. Mattam full presidency jatri. So now we have to do some agam ante boran ఉంటాయి కదా what is that called పీకల్ అదే పీకల్ తెచ్చుకుని పోయి మార్కెట్ దొంగ
వీడి నుంచి నేను చాలా మోసపోయాను పొద్దున అందరూ స్ట్రెస్ అయిపోయాను.
సో గైస్ మా జాతర అయితే ఈరోజు మా జాతరలో సో మనీ మెంబర్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ టుడే. యాక్చువల్లీ ఐ మిస్ స్టడీ బట్ టుడే ఇట్ వాజ్ రియల్లీ ఆసమ్. సో గైస్ ఇది అన్నమాట. సో ఇక్కడ ఏదో గుంపు ఉంది చూద్దాం పాండి ఇక్కడ అయితే ఏం రాయడి ఏం చేస్తున్నావు రాయడా అంతే పని అదే
Jai Jagan.
So what presidency is making us to know is indirectly మీకు ప్లేస్మెంట్ రాకపోతే ఇదేనా మీ బతుకు అని చెప్పి ఇది ఏంటిది ఇండైరెక్ట్గా చెప్పబోతుంది అంతే. దట్స్ వాట్ ప్రెసిడెన్సీ ఈస్ మేకింగ్ us to know. That's it. So guys, this is our star. So he's my Baba and Muthu, my friends, all my friends came to stall. So this is our stall. You can see this one. So Christmas special event. So much gumpu in the stall actually. They are very becoming famous today actually. How much you draw yesterday? Oh, it's about 15k. It's very huge, man. It's really 15k. Okay, yeah, it's 15k is good draw. So much good draw actually. Yeah, and also here is our junior Sukshit. He's good right. See, like that. Sukshit and here is Vijay. And here my friend Vijay from Vijay brother of Vijay Devarakonda. Hey, Vaishnavi Ra. And here is our Vaishnavi. Here are our two best friends. Ayman, Paitikari, and Vaishnavi is here. It's so sunny. It is so sunny actually. Yeah, that's why we are keeping Godugu here. Umbrella. So yeah, actually sun is kissing me so much now. But I can't. Yeah, why? Because I use Derma Plus sunscreen. That's why sun is not dominating me. That's why I'm very active. I can't stop vlogging. That's what's happening here. Sweet is manding, chemta putting, so bad weather. Hi, dirty fellow. What is this happening here? Sonali. Sonali, hi.
Hot snacks are here. Come.
ఏంటండి ಎಷ್ಟು 99 రూపీస్. అది ఫ్రీ కాదంటారా? వచ్చేసి ఫ్రీ కాదంటే వచ్చేసే అంటే పద.
Ganesh will be performing dance. We welcome Ganesh with a huge round of applause.
ఎటగాని ఎదురు చూపుకి తగినట్టుగా నువ్వు బదులు చెబితివే అరే దేవుడా దేదరింతలో పడే పిల్లడాట దగ్గరై నన్ను చేరదీసివే పుట్టబొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అట్టబొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే పుట్టబొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అట్టబొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే
ఆ శాలలో ఎలా ఫ్రీ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ కపుల్స్.
లైన్ లో ఉండు, నువ్వు లైన్ లో ఉండు. ఇవిడెవడో బంపర్ ఆఫర్ ఇస్తున్నాడు, లైన్ లో ఉండు. ఏం పెడతావురా?
Hi, what's happening here?
Chocolate strawberry, sweetie corn, and cafes, fusion days. Do it, Lord.
ఎప్పుడు చెప్పు.
Do it, Lord.
సో సురేష్ సార్ ఇస్ బ్యాక్ హియర్ అగైన్ మనమైతే సురేష్ సార్ని నమ్మబజార్ 3.0లో చూపించాను, మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు కూడా చూపిస్తున్నారు సార్. హౌ ఇస్ యువర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అబౌట్ నమ్మబజార్ 4.0?
4.0 is, it's extension of 3.0. It's really, next level of the 3.0. And the stalls and everything, they maintain very, hygiene, presentable.
Number. In that one box you have to choose. In one box what price will be there? It's yours. Suppose if you get 3,000 also, it's yours only. Entry fee is very small, sir, 150. You get very small. This is our stall. నమస్కారం అందరికీ. మనం చూస్తున్నాము టీడీపీ కార్యకర్త రామా హేమంత్ చూస్తున్నాము. ఇప్పుడైతే టీడీపీ నారా చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారు వైసీపీ రా.
మనం ఏంటి బ్రో అంత మాట అన్నావు నువ్వు నన్ను? నేను ఇందాకటి నుంచి నేను సపోర్టివ్ గా చేస్తుంటే
చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారు జై జగన్.
So guys, now we are at our canteen. So after lunch break, we came to canteen. Actually, they are full of noise, full of pollution, full of tan and everything. So just chilling here in the canteen for some time, and my people are here. They're getting relaxed for some time, and after some time we'll be going again to the event. Actually, these people are coordinators, but they are not at all taking the responsibilities. What the hell is this, guys?
Ganesh Santa.
What Tanta? Why Tanta? This was happening like this. So, and people are fighting each other, everything. Here, and some people are doing something actions. It was really, it's a nice day. It's going nice actually. So actually yes, college days are really college days are really good. Another thing so another thing, the most relevant question I'm waiting to ask, so the most relevant question I'm getting in every video's comment section is that about placements in presidency. So what about the placements in the presidency? That's what question I'm hearing mostly. So about placements, yeah, it's a good. Even as a second year student, I'm seeing so many companies are coming, like Deloitte, Aditya Birla, and even there is my friend who was selected for Aditya Birla. Deloitte, Genpact, Aditya Birla, and some other HCL and HDFC and Nikha Jewelers. Some companies are coming here. So last year that was not that much, but this time, yeah, it was really. We are seeing so many companies are coming. So about placements, okay, you can join about. You can join. That's it. Guys, it's been end of the event. So today, so now
Mention this
we are,
name, What is this name?
Yeah, actually we have tasted a ice cream. This is really like we are getting a kick. Really.
Mention the special. This
No
ice
bar.
cream.
This
name was
is-
alcohol rum ice cream, but non-alcoholic.
Yeah.
The taste will come. Ganesh only explained me how the rum taste will be there.
Actually, I don't know about rum, but after eating this, I got to know the. I just really I feel it. So in a few minutes, we are going to announce the. So in few minutes we are going to announce the event winner. So event winner will be getting the 25,000 of cash prize. Yes, 25,000 of cash prize, and yes, you have heard correctly only.
25,000 ra.
Yeah, 25,000 ra. 25,000 of cash prize. So 15,000.
15 రా గొర్రె.
ఊరికే మా వాళ్ళకి ఉత్సాహం కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ కాదమ్మా, కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఇద్దామని అన్నాము. ఆ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఓవర్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ అయింది, దానికి ఏం చెప్తాం?
Cash prize worth 25,000. Yes, right. Okay, maybe. Okay. Okay, I got it right. So 15 for the winner, and for runners it is 10,000. Okay, right? Yeah. So our vice chancellor sir will be coming.
Okay guys, we are
So
taking
now
Ganesh to eat biryani.
the biryani
Bye.
పోతున్నాం.
Bye.
So actually this is what happening. So biryani తినాలి ఇప్పుడు MBA పోయి. So that's hey. So అలాగే. So what's happening is, so biryani is mandatory for us. So in just a minute, so in a 5 minute so in few minutes our vice chancellor
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು
So in a few minutes our vice chancellor sir will be coming. So he will be announcing the event winner and the runner. So until that we will
See
eat,
you guys.
we will eat biryani and we'll come soon back. Okay.
Bye.
The winner is stall number 19. Appreciate by
Guys, మొత్తానికి అయితే సో ఫైనల్లీ విన్నర్ ఇస్ అనౌన్స్డ్ అండ్ సో నెక్స్ట్ we are going to click a group photo and we will wind up the session. So this is what happened today
All the faculty members
and actually was not captured all the overall the event actually due to some, but I was enjoyed a lot.
all the faculties,
So okay.
all the faculties in the lawn area.
So guys, finally the event was over and we are winding up and going back to the PG. And do like and subscribe to the channel.